Well, here, I just got a test going on here. See the batteries that are charged, resting. And I set it on here so that the turbine can't go over 31 volts. And you can see here, you can see the clipper doing its job. It's sending the heat to the resistor here. So it's keeping the turbine from going over speeding and overvolting. It's just a test though. I just did that to make sure everything working properly. I'll definitely change that. This turbine is still in Delta configuration too, so I'm probably gonna need a bigger resistor though. I'll end up putting one of these here, twice as big. And then I'm dumping again all day here. Wind turbine keeps the batteries full at night, dumps all day long. Well, it's good to see that that works properly. Thanks for watching.